I went this past weekend and said goodbye to one of my favorite roller coasters from my childhood, Kumba at Busch Gardens Tampa. I have long history with this roller coaster. I was there on opening day. My dad actually used to work at the park in security, and then I started working there not long after. I was at the ripe old age of 14 when Kumba opened. I started working at Busch Gardens when I was 15, so I have a long history with the park and, of course, Kumba roller coaster. Lots of memories of my dad and I riding multiple times in a row. I had the opportunity of being able to be in some B-roll footage with the roller coaster. I was also there when the Ringling Brothers clowns got to ride Kumba. So yeah, I have a lot of fun history, and I'm sad to see it go, but I'm excited to see Kumba's Revenge and see what happens with that. I am sad that I didn't get a nano coaster if they had them available for sale. I do have some nano coasters that I collect, so I have like Mako and Montu, but I'm sad I don't have a Kumba one, so if anybody has one, shout out to me. I'd love to buy one. But anyway, let me know what you think about the closing, and if you have any memories to share, and what you think is going to happen with Kumba's Revenge. So talk to y'all later. Bye.